Welcome. Today we're going to talk about noise reduction and remove noise background. And let me start it by doing some audio recordings. So let me click on the record. Yes, we're about to do some noise reduction and background recording on this video. Alright, so let me play it and see how it looks like. Yes, we're about to do some noise reduction and background recording on this video. Alright, so as it is now, if you play from the beginning, you see that there will be some sound. Yes, we're about to do some noise reduction and background recording on this video. Background removing. And then remove some background noise. So as you want to remove the background noise, this is how you do it. First of all, you apply the effect on some sample where there will be noise, and then you go to the effect, and then you go to noise reduction. Yes, so here you have step 1 and then step 2. The step 1 says select a few seconds of just noise to Audacity knows what to filter out. Then click the get noise profile. So this is the get noise profile. This is step 1. So if you want to do, you just select the noise part, or let's say this part, and then you apply this get noise, and then you play it and see. So yes, so now the noise has gone. So you want to apply to the whole thing. Double click to select or Control A to do that, and then you apply the noise reduction again. So now, because we have already done the step 1, so it is keeping it in memory. Now, by default, it is 12 by my own. It may be different on your own. So now, if we apply any other thing, like maybe we increase it up a little bit to be more, but you have to be careful about it. And then let me preview it and see how it looks like. Yes, we're about to do some. Yeah, so as it is, let me apply more effect and see, like 16 thereabout. Yeah. So let me still apply. Yes, we're about to do some. Right. So this is how you have to do the noise reduction. So now that everything is okay, when we start to play, it will play and there will be no noise. Yes, we're about to do some noise reduction and background recording on this video. Sorry, it's not background recording, it is background reduction, noise reduction. So it's background reduction is what we are doing, not background recording, as I said in the recording. So this is the reduction, noise reduction and background noise. So today, this is what we will be doing. So that's how to apply the noise reduction. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe and then let's see your comments. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.